Hello everybody, in ANSYS software for solutions for simulation process we have a three-step: per-processor, loading and solve, and post-processor. In this video I want description for you moving heat source and post-processor, creating a macro for moving heat source, reviewing result in post 1, and creating time depending graph in post 26. I description these subjects for you in this video. Before going to reviewing the simulation result, I want to description for you how to moving the heat source of the welding. For moving the heat source of the welding, we must use of a macro. Before preparing a macro in this description for you, this is a command for looping this dual command is a loop that looping this command. After that, this command is for per processor. This command is for selecting element in the next row of the weld, and after that selecting node associated to. This command is active this weld that select, and this command, with this command we can loading on this element and node. With this command we can deleting the nextly load a next row of the weld elements. With this command we can go to solution processor fusion section. With this command we can reset analyze, and with this command we can adjusting time for newly solution. And with this command we can solve the newly solved solution, and this is the end of the loop. This command is continue until go to end of the weld line, and heat source with this command is moving. Now we want reviewing the result of this simulation. The important result that we can reviewing it is temperature that I'll show after this simulation. For reviewing this temperature at the structure, we go to read result, last set, and after that plot result, control plot, node solution, before node solution, the solution, and select temperature. Now we can creating an animation of this simulation. Plot control, animate, overtime, adjusting, and see. Now you can see temperature description and the structure after the welding simulation. Now this is a animation of the result, temperature description. For creating a time depending result or time depending temperature at the node of the structure, we can go to time history post processor or post 26, and after that selecting a node in the welding line, for example this. Now repeat again, rotating the structure, selecting a good node, zooming on weld line and selecting this node, and after selecting node we can pushing on graph and zooming the graph, we can see the graph of the thermal description depending on time showing for us. Yeah, this is a result of this simulation that's showing with a graph.